stabilize the area with some of the native plants that I think Andy will help kind of point us in the right direction and give us some good ideas to kind of help bring back some of that natural habitat. That's one.
Why honeysuckle is bad? Honeysuckle is bad not only for what it does to crowding out natives, it doesn't provide any habitat. There's really no predators or even things that it supports, but also it ends up taking over your yard. As you can see back here, it's just creeping in. If they were to continue to let this go, no doubt it would be even further towards the house. And that would crowd out even more things, and it would just slowly take over. After the fact, we can see the difference in the literal line in where the autumn olive, honeysuckle, multiflora rose had crowded out everything save for their seedlings. And now possibility and not in the reality of what's going to come here next of native playscapes, but also the rearing and habitat for all of the native species and all the species that really benefit